Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mind map on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the marketing materials section you can find the mind map option. Select a template and tap to the use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photo section in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the the text box, and you can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add graphic elements, click to the object section, and you can search different graphic elements. Just select one, for example the ice cream, and you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animations, and in the video section you can search or upload videos. If you want to add music, in the music section you can find different music, and just select one and tap to the plus icon and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.